Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set your notification sound on Viber. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by clicking on the settings icon right here. It's going to take us to our Viber settings. Next, we're going to select the third option we have here, notifications. It takes us to our notification settings, and next we're going to click notification sounds. So here you have multiple sounds to choose from. You can turn them off just by selecting the first one that's none, or you can choose what notification sound you want by picking some sound. For example, the original Viber sound, or the note sound, or the bamboo chord sound, whatever. So in this video, we're gonna leave it on the classic Viber notification sound, and that's how you set your notification settings. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful videos. Bye!